Hi friends, I'm Aditi Gupta. This is my another video. Today I will tell you 3 questions which you ask in any situation that is distress producing or challenging. And if you give sensible answers to these questions, then you can successfully solve this challenging situation and proceed ahead in life. Friends, in today's life, most of the people are suffering from stress and leading stressful and anxious lives. The person be a child, young adult, or old age people. Children suffer from stress of studies, fear of teacher and school, and at home, the children suffer from pressure of perfection by parents. The youth is suffering from pressure of building their careers and expectations of societies and parents. Adults and old age are also under a lot of stress these days. The stress may be due to some family or relationship issue, or the reason behind stress may be health, be it your own or of some loved one. Sometimes the cause of this stress may be money related matters also. Like if you do not have sufficient money, or some people have taken lots of EMIs, and somebody might have taken a loan and is in debt now which he cannot pay back. In such lives where people live in stress, if some other challenging circumstances faced by that person, then it may lead to total disturbance and breakdown of that person, and also lead to more challenging situations. People sometimes start considering the challenges as bigger than themselves. In such situations, these 3 questions, which I am going to tell you in a minute, these 3 questions will be with you and take you out of these situations with a smiling face. Friends, always remember one thing. No challenge is bigger than you, and there is no challenging situation which cannot be solved and successfully moved on from. There is no such fort which has not been won over. Only 3 magical questions, friends. They will help you to move ahead and make your way through with confidence in difficult and challenging situations. Let's see what these 3 questions are. The first question is, in such situation, what is it that you focus upon? The second question is, what is the meaning of it? The third question is, what do you do about it? Let me tell you a small story now to help you better understand. There was once a family in which there were the husband and wife and their children. It was the day of Diwali, but there was no money available to them, and there was no food at home. It was a really tough and hard time that this family was facing. Everybody in the family was hungry. In this situation, the head of the family, that is, the husband and the father of the children, was extremely worried and tensed. This situation was taking a toll on him, and he was utterly frustrated. In this frustration, he only saw that he is not earning anything and that he is a waste and incapable person. His wife was also fighting with him over this situation. His ego was so hurt and he was so frustrated, more on his having no job and not being able to serve his role in the family than on the fact that his children and wife were hungry. He was so angry to feel looked down upon that he opened the door of the house and left the family forever in that anger, leaving behind his hungry children and wife with no resources at all. So, in this story, how did this person, the head of the family, answered these 3 questions? Let's see. First, he focused on the fact that there is no food at home and that he has no job and there is no money as well. Second, This meant for this person that he is a worthless and a poor guy and is good for nothing. Third, what did the person do about this? He left his family forever, that too in a situation where the children were absolutely helpless and hungry. Now, what I am going to tell you next is that these 3 questions could have been answered in totally different perspective for better results. Let's see how. The first question could have been answered as, this person's focus could have been on that there is no food in the family and there is no money. Second, for this person, this could have meant that there needs to be food in the family, that his children are hungry, and that being the husband and the father, he needs to go out and bring food for the family. Third, what this person could have done for this is that he could have gone out of the house to arrange for the food or look for a temporary job which can get him money and hence get him the food. Had this person thought like this, he would have been able to feed his family that day and get their love and respect, and would have respected himself more, and the family would have survived the situation in a good manner. So friends, in challenging situation, whether you will create more trouble for you or whether you will solve the challenges and move towards a better situation, all this depends on how you answer these 3 questions. That is what you focus on in that situation, that what it means for you, and that what you do about it. Friends, always remember that no challenge is bigger than you, and if you do what is required at that time, then you can move ahead even in trying times and love a life that is stress-free. Friends, I pray from universe for you and your loved ones that you always remain happy and prosper, and that Mother Nature always bless you and you stay close to Mother Nature. For any other information, you can visit my website theaditigupta.com, theaditigupta.com, or email me at theaditigupta8@gmail.com. That is theaditigupta numeric में 8@gmail.com, or see description box given below. Okay friends, I'll see you next time.